Hello everyone, this is Tom Mills here to talk to you today about ISReNamer. ISReNamer is a tool that we built at Ischamp that renames the key field, the field that matches up with the key ID in SumTotal. That's the employee number. So it will change that employee number where you can't do that on a bulk basis within the system itself. So that's what we do. So let's get right into the demonstration today and talk about what that looks like for all of us. First of all, we're going to show you how you might change the ID within the system today. So you're counting the clicks here. 1, 2, there's 3 user IDs. These guys are called renamers. Actually, let's do renamers because I forgot which one I didn't change. Rename. So I've got some IDs. This cool dude, I want to change it back to the what it used to be before I did a change earlier. I've been recording this thing several times, and I'm trying to keep the same IDs with it, so it goes with my screen prints. So here we go. So we go into that. We choose the profile. Then we have to come back in and wait for it to load. And while that's happening, I'm selecting the old user ID, so I can use the same files here. Oops, let's do a copy there. And then I need to go into user account. And then you'll see that this cool dude down here is going to get changed back to 70290. Here's my Excel file where I have this is going to be the old ID and this is going to be the new ID. So that's all it takes is a CSV file. So I'm now going to save that and close out of this, and you'll see that when I come back in and look at my users and I do my rename, if I didn't spell it right, did I? I thought I didn't type it right. There we go. You'll see that I have this matches the file I'm going to end up sending here. Right there. So, all right, and that file's already been set up. So that's it. So that's kind of the set. That's how you would do one. As you can see, that kind of takes a little bit of time. So with the ISReNamer, you can put it into a Google Doc. You can do it in Excel, whatever you need to create a CSV file. Or here's Notepad++. You could use WordPad or Notepad within Word. So all those things are possibilities, right? So now we just go into the toolbox and we hit launch. There we go. We choose a file. So one of those files we saved down earlier. This is one that we saved. This was the Note++ one. Let's just use this one. And we see it in here. We do the upload. And you've all done these type of things before. We hit the process button. And 2 employees have been changed. Now, you saw how long it took to do 1 employee. Just think about if you had 1,000 employees, how much time this would save you. Could be in the order of hours, days, weeks. So that's all it takes. That's unwind. Oh, let's prove that worked. That's always a good idea, right? Let's not be silly here. So here are the users. We're going to have to go back out again. Again, it's coming out just users. These were the user's name, rename and rename to. And then we're going to hit enter. I did hit that, right? Coming out all users. And then rename. There we go. My favorite and cool dude, which is what we changed him to. My favorite and cool dude. Thank you, everybody. If you're interested in ISReNamer, and we have some other tools as well, if you've noticed out here, In the toolbox, we have a thing that unwinds curriculums for the headaches that it takes to manually do curriculum kind of unwinding. That's why we call it that. Tool is useful when the users left the organization is no longer required to complete a curriculum. So you don't have to manually record and remove all the learner from the information in the courses. Same thing with instructor-led courses that are courses on courses on courses, and say a curriculum type structure, right? And this is the bulk user ID. Thank you very much. Make sure you give us a call. We're at ischamp.com. I'm at tom@ischamp.com. Thank you.